Katrina, twala bakusigning mu play it loud, right?
Play it loud. I've been shooting for a whole year.
For the whole year.
Yeah.
But we've had waliwo omukyala eyaliwo Sheilah Gashumba. Bwe yawuliranga bagenda ku kwanvelinga n'agidukamu.
N'agidukamu. Nze kyekibuuzo mba mulina kimubuuza. Nze naye simanyi yajja n'agidukamu. Buli muntu alina personal reasons ze. Izo banga yaffe nga siye. Nalaba siye. Everyone has their personal reasons. So, waba yagidukamu, I think it's much better. You sit her down and ask her what you want to come play it loud, which is still okay. Because how many times have you asked me for an interview?
Yes.
I had my own reasons. I wasn't ready, but today I'm ready. So we are in a reasons. Baba tayagala.
Chibo yawuliranga bagenda kukoleta mu play it loud na resigning.
Bwe yawuliranga bagenda kundeta. Kashoka natenze ngoba mu abantu. Abanze na nyiniyo.
Enkola gana yo naye eri.
Simuina ako buzibu mulaba bulabi nga bwenda beno dami. Mudami sijirabye. Mbete bwe mulaba. Like I don't have a problem with her.
Okay.
Ne bwe musaba letu amukifo kimunga wala badami. Tewali kigira.
But we've heard that you guys were too close like this.
We were close. People outgrow each other. People outgrow each other. Bana ile tukati olaba no muzadde afa no mwerabira n'oguma. Kati bana omuntu gosanze Kampala. Gosanze obusanzi muberezemu kyateeka kwa mwina tulaba fena. Me, I've never had an argument with her. I don't have a problem with her. I don't wish her anything bad. And I'm okay. Because when did I last talk to her?
I don't know.
Yeah, like 2 years ago. I bought a house. She has, her businesses are booming also. My shop is here, so katingamba. Tewali chetwe yamba nze na ye. Katrina. Sheilah Gashumba. And by the way, I don't like even talking about people or discussing people.
No, when I see that you go about business almost, you call it Eduka na uno koze.
Eduka Lya in a glass, and in a Kampala. No, if you what was a Shida? Me and her, when we used to talk, we could talk. I would even tell her, Njakugula Eduka, but I will. It would be nice. Yeah. I went, I supported her, I kept on supporting her, and I didn't even have a problem with her. Even from that, I kept on supporting her, which is okay. And I didn't call her out of love. I do everything out of love. I had all the money to open up the shop and all that. I had the energy, but my time wasn't right. When my time came right, that's why you see this here. Katoshtegede wechiji. Na ya ino obulamu bwe nange nyina obwana.
Ati katengeri mwe najje muli bawala atenga mutambula bulungu.
Tuli bawala mweru ndi muddugavu. Yeah, banange mleke kutuka. Bana ile sana kwata microphone, even respect her for that. Nze mbana zirise. Sisobola, we are two different people. Ngazine ngalongo zirize.
We are totally different.
We are totally different. Totally different. I'm a model by profession. The only thing I think we can share, she's photogenic, I'm photogenic.
Okay.
Yeah. I just see many children who are bagezako girabwe. Manange, even in my next slide, I just saw more like girabwe tuti. Simwina ako buzibu bad.
Anti no bayinzo girabanga competition.
Ayinzo giranga competition. It's okay because gocho yagadde oteka mu mutwegwe oba naye kya yagadde, which is still okay. But me, what I know, I'm Katrina Kamara Uwamahoro.
Erinya Kamara by the way na wadenya kubuza. That's
my dad's name. Hey. I put a respect on that.
Okay.
People who know me. I'm a Kamara.
Kamara.
Yes.
Yana adengera kubuza nenga ha.
You guys don't know me. And you all insist. You get it? Kati nzobulamu obwange nange oba nange ndinga dami
omanyi Katrina ffe tukolera abantu ebisere bisinga ffe tubeera mu comment sections z'abantu binabuuza kino bwe uli neebuuza nagayi omukwano Katrina gwe yalina ne Sheilah ki ekyabaawula
tewali nkugambye bwe oyagala mubuuza ne bw'omugubirako siyombanga naye nze banaye nakulibwa the way I was raised n'engeri gye neeyisaamu sisobola nayomba nze siyombangako n'abakazi all my life we mandaba tinga ngamba empaka z'abagagga yomvayo sibasobola Bw'ongambe yo balwana ngamba ndi mukazi mulungi mama wange yangamba sisana
toyagala kubeera na kamogo konna
sisabola sisa nze siyomba nga naye simugira ibune bw'omubuuza I've never
Bani munayinze nga benganga tukolera abantu Katrina.
But what I want to tell people, be yitingane. The only person you're supposed to get the truth from is me or her. But me, I'm telling you, see your manga kona ye. Yebo mutuzo mubuza about Katrina, and I don't even know why we're even talking about her. The grand opening yange. Otegede. Ke wali nyali olaba Katrina fashion finds. Otegeda. That's Katrina fashion finds. Hi Mona. Otegera, I don't have a problem with her and I wish her all the best. Simuibera ngakona buzibu. People outgrow each other. No kula. Kachoka twalinda bera babidi tufumbirwa babidi tubire babidi. Ngo shoka maboyo gana nabone kachocha gana bokuva mbuto.
Era tetuba lutalo.
But nchini wano bakwano bange bamaze 15 years, 10 years, which is still okay. Mukama akyabagaliza. Maybe by tomorrow morning ogera sana tetuchayogera. Arenga tetuyombye netukula netugenda wanefumbirwa. Yudeta man nagamba sagala bakwano bo. Bakwano bo no baleka.
Ego kisobola.
Asisobola cause banga ategera. He's a very English man. Ategera nyo his IQ is very high.
Bota ava ku nnyonyi, obera ku nnyonyi 24/7.
Sigenda ziba ko. Nyane vacation by the way yangu because nkoyenye.
Oh, in a vacation?
Yeah, I have a vacation. Because I've been working so hard. Tola. Engwezi wedemba na ate nyana okusuubula.
Osuubula wa?
Mawanga ngabi.
Gati alugwa na gati.
Nenga si China.
Si China.
But I'll soon go to China and see how it works in China.
So far Ogudewo kino ekintu challenges tonnaba zifuna oba
Sinaba, I'm a very blessed girl. Jamani, hey, very blessed girl.
Niyo ogenda tula mulire Eduka oba oyina agenda otuulawo?
Nina agenda otuulawo?
As in, onolo bitulamu?
Njali tulamu because I love my money. Saya mutukuna na sente zange. Sente zange nzagala nnyo.
There are so many people abazze okubanga bakuwagira. Bazze okubanga bagula ebintu nga babigula Katrina. Omuntu ne yeebuuza nti mu kutunulamu bali. Bakugola bakuwadde bakusupportinze ekimala.
Bansupportinze obadola nkyusa ddami bwenzizawo. Kati badola nkyusa jazi nzitereka. Babadde bazigula. Bansupportinze. I'm so like I don't know. I'm even so emotional right now. Like I want to cry.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to cry.
Amaziga gali kumbi bwe gato.
Bansupportinze. And people are still coming in. Zakawera sawa bidi abantu bachaja bandaga. We are here for you, girl. Very nice.
Osobola kwa muneba ba celebrities abali kuba nawo tukubala nti oli mu industry Katrina tukubala ngalo omukyala ali mu industry. Bakole baje bakusupportinge wageo Ogudewo Eduka baje bakusupportinge.
Banange guys, come and support me. Ndi ku Bukoto Street, plot 16, Katrina Fashion Finds. Muje mumpagire and thank you so much for today. I'm overwhelmed.
Ni Katrina Katolini miaka nyemeka.
I'm still in my 20s.
27.
Ate bwe bakyojoogera bagenda bakibuze mama wange wali no mama wange azaali wansi.
Yeah.
Mubuuze nyine emyaka and people who know me know my age. Naye bwe goba bagakupa emyaka 4 ngompa.
Sisobola.
Goba bagakupa ngamba ndi 50 sikyina ako buzibu.
Nedda mukwano. Sinze nakuza naye mbadde nteesa. Omwami bw'aba gyali. Don't you think it's the right time okubanga munnawo oba kulujja ku munne abantu? Muva kulujja Katrina.
Lindako. Bagamba ekyaluliko. I've told you I'm engaged. Sikyaluliko.
Omusajja wali mu industry.
Tasobola nabeeramu.
But when are you giving back Katrina?
Nze wafete nze wati mama nga champita baby ne tata wange.
Takutumangako ku mwana.
Tebantumangako ku mwana. Bampita baby. My mom calls me in the morning, good morning baby. Yeah, tebantumangako. I'm still a baby. Naye bw'oba owulira oli mu bwangu oyagala zaala. Bwe zaala. Njabalabirira.
Abaani.
Ababo.
Abange olulete ogwobalabira.
Tewali bate bwe nyina tebamuna nze yabazaala. Tewali buzibu. Bw'oba oli mbwangu zaala nze njabalabirira. Amata bajanywa. Nina ente. Tafayo. Abaana banywa mata.
Mami watakubanja mwana.
Tasobola. Mukubire. Tasobola kumanja mwana. Tasobola when the time is right. Nganzala.
Ngoza. Nobudde butuufu tebunatuuka.
Tebunabatuuka. Ngo Eduka bwe byatuuse ne nditekako. Era omwana bw'anaatuuka nga muzaala. Omuleta nga ali mukubaji.
Katrina amusima ko muna oyinza ofuna omwana nga tumayina taata we kubambo
bagamba muki inze
abasajja ina bayitirivu
inze njagala gye omusajja ngagamba yali alidde Katrina ko omutwalo gwa $.
Yambu bye baletera n'okwawukana ne Sheilah mu basajja
inze
mbu
omusajja wange
mbu wali musajja wa munno
musajja ki
wali musajja wa Sheilah yeso laki mwayawukana
wow
actually that was a comment
wow Rickman nabiwulirako nange Rickman now let me tell you, take it from me. Yeah, Rickman, he was supposed to come to my party. Omuntu amanyi Katrina Kamara uwamahoro ne Sheilah kenyina akimanyi. I can't sigena kosa kigambo kibi sabe ya ne Rickman. First of all, sideti yanko muvubuka. Rickman is my brother and I respect him so much. No, but Rickman, I told him 20s. Then I'm telling him 30s.
What does that mean?
No, he's okay. He's okay. Yeah, he's sabulungi. He's very respectful. I know peace. I know, but he's my brother. I didn't know. I think he's living downstairs. No, yeah, it's even funny. But me, I actually ngamba. But trending. By the way, it's even Rickman. It's even my mom who sent me that video. Galaxy TV.
Yes.
Musaja, what he was trying to defend me because he said, "You're more targeted a bio defending." Because I can never obonda no munjagaliza.
Acha mukisa mulungi naye wabiwulira.
Nabiwulira nenseka. Nabe ngambye mpulira ebintu ne ngamba omuntu ayina aba bakoye bayina be bakozesa. But personally,
mbwera muri mu bintu bya kusharinga abasajja bobono ngo
inze kutebako ne sente. Si sharinga ko omusajja na muwala wa Kampala.
Tula mu kamera.
Sibako sente. I've never abasajja be Kampala mbagazaji. I don't date men here. I don't. But mentally, mentally uli abawo baba ine chifana change musimu. Uli solo sharing ngwe mentally. Nze ndiko kusanyisa muntu kimusanyisa mbwongo bwe kyosigalamu. Ngana we wesanyusa ngamba Katrina banga asobola mukwana because that's a win. Omwana mulungi bwati bawo namukwana.
And you're this kind of woman who has each and everything you know.
Everything. Siri osobola kunjogerako buli kimu. Ali bwati mubi yetunda biki. Tosagamba mubi. Techeri oba nyino omubiri omubi.
Omubiri gwo mulungi.
Ne face ne basina makeup. Banange mwagala testuke.
Neba bakyukize 360 Katonda wange. Ati bibyero zifuse bibyero abantu bazo.
Oli muzibu nakulira mu bubina.
Soko wakola ki?
Nakulira mu bubina.
What do you mean?
Njagala muteje ekifaananyi ngambe saji kakonda kabina. Ne bwe nali akatini nga ndi katini ngokola kabina kange wekali.
Kavuze kwezi.
Yes, ngabusifika kiri.
Wanji mama.
Nera bajako kali bate bagenda kunza banayogera kwani.
No lete moto kedi personalized kati.
Namba plate je mwagala. Chi.
Katrina no lete moto kedi personalized. Biga byoga Katrina buli kintu totuka ula achievement
no problem why you're shocked because the moto kedi personalized abantu banji bajina barudewo nange nabasangawo Oshegera. But the only problem obanze kubasimanyi kubabula ngombundeta. Because ebintu bikadde abantu bayina amaduuka. Bayina motoka ennungi ezi personalized. Neze bwe kikola ndoza hai bango banganso.
Oli muwala muto, but you don't deserve it.
I don't deserve it. God forbid. Ngomanyi bye nkola nga sibimanyi.
Wanji nyabo.
No.
Badde ndesa. Omwami omubeya kagambo kamu ko mugamba tuli on air.
Hi baby, I love you so much. And I promise. Tine byama byafene bangu. Yakitegenya.
Yakupropose nempete eriwo nga empete eriwo.
Dijeri wa.
Katola ba yakuproposing.
Babuza budget ajimanyi.
Soko je.
Ajimanyi. Yali wone ku engagement party.
Jangu ano bugi.
Yeah, yali wone ku engagement party gwe mubuze tamanyi.
Kitufu labayo. Bugi labayo.
Anytime because baita birinde tabibuza wala birinde.
Gwogugo gwaddi. Kuba bayimbi mundani so kunaku zino muba proposing iro okufobu. Ne bwoba toyina ring kitegeeza omusajja wo weraliikirira.
Nga neraliikirira ki?
Tutambula na ring yo.
Amanyi omutima yagutwala. But my man tells me the only thing I'm supposed to kyatapaako kasamba ne kadi ze za banka nga yina sente. Amanyi omukazi wuwe.
Katrina naye tokisussa nnyo. Kadi ze za banka.
Yes. Kubona obungi ozasobola okugira mbu ngenda kulya mmere. Young baby, as long as you have my card.
Katrina kituufu oba olina omusajja omuwe. Omusajja wo tamanyi kyalina.
Akimanyi.
Atamanyi kyalina.
Banange, he knows it.
I want to go to a wife material.
I'm a wife material. He knows it.
Yeah.
Akimanyi.
Ofuna obudde ne weebaka obudde obutuufu like nofuna enough sleep.
Yeah, I get enough sleep.
Because you're this kind of woman.
I have dogs that need my attention. I have to see them every day.
Ofuna obudde ne weebaka n'owummula. Tukulaba this kind of woman spending a cassette mu bbaala.
Just spending.
Yeah. Just spending.
So I have to go. I have to go. I have to attend to people. When people don't see, they don't buy.
Kale, ndine Katrina, oba mbadde Katrina, ebigambo byonna ebimwogerwako mbwabba abasajja b'abendi biki.
Nziba?
Mbukwana abasajja b'abendi.
Bwabula nze njanga mutajja nganda mu maaso gange nabba musajja we. Omanyi abasajja abanjagala. Nga nzira kuwa omuwala omulala. God forbid. Inza Katrina. Omuwala afaanana bw'ati nzibe.
Kati kangubuze ekibuuzo. Sheilah wajja n'omugoba. Nga zo okulaba ku gundi.
Sheilah? Najja?
Like, was she invited?
Asima baba my invitation.
Who is supposed to?
Sinza akola ku invitation. You know nawe bane ndi CEO ate kati ngene kola mu invitation ate kola mu counter. Otegede. Ne wajja, she's welcome. Yeah, simwina akobuzibu. Ate kati nze omuntu westayo mbana ye ate lwakimangu. Kiya kimushtekawo mbu tulina problem. Kati ekyo bono sanga tunyume. Oja kunetondera.
Play it loud. Kiki tuba tusuubira.
Bana ebingi.
Ngachi.
Bingi. Bingi nnyo. Nebye mutamanyi.
Kale tuweko katono bwe kati. Katono. In
drama. Yeah. The real me. Amanyi wano temumanyi. Just mulowooza mu mumanyi. Naye eri ndi eri Katrina eyo mutuufu. Kati wano ndi mu Ibra.
Kati waliwo tugenda
wano mbuuza nenjogera. Kati gwe ali mu control. Nange ndi mu control.
Kategedde.
Pulaninga kyenkuddamu. Oshegera. Eri. Mba Katrina. Katrina kamala naye wano ndi Katrina ni zero. Ni
Katrina oli wadda. Okiba natandika okulabanga nange. Ngabe mumulaba like she has it all. Mujje mumuwagire abantu bazze ne bamuwagira Gloria Buji naye abaddewo waneeno. Which tribe are you, Katrina?
Wampaana baki. Mugamba ndi mujja padola.
Oli mujje? Nebambi you're pretty, obulungi bwo bannange.
Ndi mulungi. Nange netya.
Nenga, I congratulate you once again. Olwokuba nti mune watuse kulinda ekkula si kyangu. A lot of words bibeera wabweru ekimanyi nawe obiwulira.
Nze nina amatu gafa naye bambi mbanda mmanyi abantu balina bye bakozesa.
As in?
Mbana buli muntu ayagala ekintu asisikyagamba naye alina ebizibu byalina kyakozesa. Nenkivaako. Nze nengese seetaba mazina g'embwa kyo nakigala. Have you ever seen me reply to a blogger all my life? Never. Oba omuntu yenna amazina g'embwa sigeetabamu.
Togeetabamu.
Olabye kaya kali ku reception. Less noise, more luxury.
Yes.
Nakulekana nnyo.
Kola bukozi.
Yeah.
Like nga kino kyokoze. Ogwenze mu maaso no improving abantu. Prove them wrong.
Yeah.
Ebigambo byogerwa yes Katrina. Wadde byogerwa. Negosazeho balaga nti awadde mwogera nze kangende bugenzi mu maaso. Tutunuulidde zina interior gwe watadde muno bannange. Lwaki totubulira ku katono nnyo kale sente ze watadde wano katono nnyo. Because this is too much expensive and good.
Tesali nyingi nnyo by the way.
Nga mmeka?
Like 400 million.
400 million.
Yeah.
Aneera weesedde.
Ate bane mwanga tetudde kwogera nange sala ebintu bya sente kintu kyeyogerera you can easily look at something nomanya this is like this.
Ni Katrina. Sente ozijjawa bannange. Wayingira ennyumba makula, ennyumba twagirabanga hiki. Actually, ennyumba ajingira this very year.
Yes.
Towannayita na bbanga ddene nnyo.
Mu April.
Otaddewo situation ate endala. Eyongedde okukanga abantu.
Emisanye mbana bibala.
Where do you get the money, Katrina?
I'm a farmer. My business is endala zenkola bana.
You're a farmer?
Yeah, I'm a farmer. Nina ente zange temwaziraba. Temwaziraba.
Twaziraba.
Yeah.
Kyogamba ente ze ziyimirizaawo bino byonna.
Nina n'omusajja nteka mu ssente. Ne bba wange. Naye nina ssente zange.
Gwe nga gwezizo.
Ate n'abasajja bakuwa abawala abaavu nzija n'ekyange baba banyambyeko nanyambamu. Yeah, but I have a man, of course.
You have a man?
Yeah.
Anti ebigambo byogera bingi. Olina amaani olina abasajja?
A man, one man.
One man.
And by the way, what you didn't know, I'm engaged.
Tetwabira.
Mbakubye surprise. Ani ze kyenjagala kyembalaga.
Ne Katrina naawe. Mu mwaka gumu wazimbira ennyumba n'ojja unveilinga. This very year Ogudewo Eduka makula era oli unveilinze. Omwaka tegukusaze.
Bebe tebena bibala. Ate waliwo ekijja.
Ekisinga ne ku kino.
Nenda omwaka gudduse ate ndamukakanyemu. Dena ndete. Mwenze simanyi kwogera. I don't talk. I just do actions. Natebya kubasuubiza nze Ibra. Sibisobola.
When did the man engage you? Omwana oyo yakwange yagudewo.
2 years ago.
Ni Katrina nga tetwabiraba.
Temusobola mmanya gwe wali onopudde kankwana. You can't. Tosobola unless I allow you. But you can't. I'm so private. What they need out there, but I'm a very private person. I only let you know what I want you to know. If I don't want you, trust me, you will never know. My circle is like this. Ntonoka sina tosana kitegeera.
Tina oli mu limelight, oli mukyala muto alina kye yeekoleddewo. Nera nga bwe nkugambye abantu balina engeri gye bakriticizingamu. Katrina sente zazijja wano alimba azijja mbasajja biki.
Nedda tewali buzibu bagendeyo. My family nga I don't want to say this, but nganjavu. If you think nzijja mbasajja, you have the same things.
Atenga nabo
babina. You genda nawo obifunye genda nawo ofune edduka lyennyina. Because it's worth millions and millions of money. Genda ofune nyumba gyensulamu. Oshegede. When I go to nyumba ne bagamba mpozi njipangisa, which is okay. Kati nedduka kati edduka lyange. And you know what's funny? I have receipts to everything I do in my life. And it's always in my names. Yeah. Tewana sana vayo na mbagane mbenda mukolera kino no. Only one thing I learned in life, what my mom keeps telling me. Okusirika tewejjusa.
Bosirika tewejjusa.
Nze nsirika nnyo. Ngame seta bamazina gembwa. If you want to shout, you can shout. Nja kulaba nga bwe ngambe ndaba omuntu ne ngamba ina byakozesa. Then I move on with my life.
Bakyogedde ne kankireke nga bwe kiri.
Ne kinzijako?
Like ne kikunyiza.
Ale ne kinzijako ate ne sitakola ki? Nesta yomba. Nesta reacting.
No.
Have you ever seen me reply to any blogger?
Not really.
Have never, and I can't. And I can never. Reason being, I know Katrina, Nemani, Chesobo Lokanisesa Kola. Katigwa blogger boka no one indication to know gamba this and this. Bo manyi nebizibu yombanga mama, maybe I enjoy murumo or maybe I stress.
Don't you think in Mulamu is so successful? Katrina is so successful.
I'm a very blessed girl. Very. I never start posting a baby. Yeah, people who know me know.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Ibra.
Annaye webale kwa mchala mukozi.
Saga.
For starters soko tuli wantuli kukola ki sofa.
Olwalero grand opening Eduka Lya Katrina Fashion Finds. Yeah. Men's outfits, women. So it's unisex.
It's unisex.
Yeah.
Okay. Bisangibwawa.
Ebukoto Street, Road 16. Opposite Linus Tattoos. Mabega wa Kashia Mall. Oli alengerera. Lye glass eri. Ngakirira ya.
Webale kuba mchala mukozi Katrina.
Webale sima.
Man, this is so amazing and this so excited. Nze nganza omuntu.
Thank you so much.
Eduka nga wakozedde ne Katrina.
Nze bwentyo. Bwentyo bwe nkola ekintu kinabeera extra. Bwemba tekiri extra banga si kirungi sikikola.
Edduka likumazeeko ssente nga mmeka okutwaliza?
Amaisaganya ebintu bya discussing ssente naye gwe kyolaba kyeyogerera. You can easily tell because this shop na leasing ekifo.
Wakola ki?
Leasing, release, yeah. Because tewali kintu kyonna nentandika okuzimba the same way you could build a house from scratch nenjua slum buli kimu nze myself. Yeah, because what I wanted nga sina wenkiraba nga sina wengenda funa duka lya muntu limenyemu like maduka 5.
Ekitegeza wali leasing kifo ne wezimbira.
Nezimbira yeah myself. Yeah, and I'm so grateful omuntu baba bayitaba the owners of the place. They made it so easy for me, the Indians. And I'm so grateful for that because they made my dream come true. Natuka nengamba omukyala. Wali now nemgamba I can put something up here. Nagamba how? Nemgamba just accept.
Nze mpapagane nabyo.
Yeah, mpapagane nabyo. Nemgamba chinze sichira but there's nothing you can put up on top of this building. Nemgamba I can. Katrina Ayatulidde. I've been working on this place for like 8 months.
8 months.
Miezi 8. Wow. Before I even bought a house.
Kino already ekifo kyaliwo.
Kyaliwo naye nga kiri flat. Abali bayita wano balaba. Waliwo just mabaati.
At the end of the day n'otuuka ekiseera n'okiggusa.
N'ekiggusa.
Because tulaba wali wansi. Waggulu mulimu obusengesenge eri emanju yonna emabega yonna egwawo.
Wano wange tolabye office yange. Yeah, that's my office. Eri waliwo storage. Yeah.
Katrina, wapangisa ekifo n'otandika okuzimba.
Yeah, of course. Ne receipt muzaagala.
Katrina.
Nenzimba from scratch nange netya.
From scratch.
From scratch. Nange netya.
Katrina, ng'owanise ebbango.
Yeah, because I wanted my dream to come true. Because my grandma, they had a new fashion. And may her soul rest in peace. Before she died, they had a gambanga. Young amanga gambo bibiri. Olivera Miss Uganda or a model. God willingly, I'm a model by profession. So, now, but there's another thing I want to do because she's Rwandese. She was Rwandese. No, but never bokola your fashion store. God willingly, so it kept my mom loves fashion. I myself love fashion, and we all got it from her, from the roots. Okay. So I was like, I have to make my dream come true. I have to make her proud. You're not Jadi. I have to make my mother proud. You're not Jadi. That's why I have an African collection.
Yes.
That's and it will always be there. She used to like such outfits, African wear. Nga omuntu amutungira amujja Kongo. Na amutungira ebintu bwe bityo. So I was like, I will make it for her. I will do the same thing she wanted to do. And I know she's happy. And I know this is all her blessings.
Yeah.
So this is our dream. My grandmother's dream and my dream.
And your dream.
Yeah.
So ekirooto kyo kituukiridde.
Kituukiridde, it's done.
Ekifo nga kino kitegeeza kiri obulamu bwo, like ng'omuntu kitegeeza ki Katrina oli mwana muwala?
Because I sacrificed a lot. My time, energy, bintu bingi. Gano gonna magezi go. Magezi gange waliwo omukyala. Owa mulengero oli Tina Kaili.
Oli ali ku simu.
Yeah, najja n'ebintu byange ne mugamba this is what I want. Naye njagala omuntu. So many people were pricing me. Wetanga omuntu nagamba million 3 oba oyagala kino ekifo ne ngamba wait a minute. I have my obwongo.
Yes.
I can do interior myself. So Mambi Nemufuna, she's so good. And she was like, you know what, Katrina? Don't worry, you already have your ideas. This is my idea. But I can help you put up this together. Bamita TK furniture.
So bino byonna byonna okubaawo kyali kirooto
Mama muyita omubuzeko.
nsoko muleke essaawa zino twagala okumanya Katrina because si kyangu toyinza kuba nti wafubuka from out of the blue nogamba I need to do this.
But I have had this dream for 5 years. For 5 years. And the other day, 2 days ago, I was with Anita when I was little. Fabiola. Yeah. Nangamba, do you remember telling me, Yagala, your dream is to make a fashion store? Nemgamba, yeah, and I felt so emotional. Nan's jokes are like what I dreamt. Yeah. Shishino Chinese. So, sit young, you can't just wake up and.
Hey, that's a nature, but
but then planning, I always do something at the right time and when I'm ready, emotionally, mentally, and physically. When I'm ready to go all in. You get my point.
Kagere kanye katono kampi I wear 37 simanyi beno size ki nenga njagadde nnyo olugoye. Katrina outdid herself is giving class omubeereyo nga mwasama nga ffe tukola business. Abaasami bajja kubeera nga ever but nga tukola business as we're making money. Do the talking. Let's show you what's up. I'm proud of my girl Katrina. She outdid herself. Look at the quality, baby. I love it. I love everything in here. Wow. Katikano, her stage. Kano ka comedy store. Abayimbi bangi bambala bubi. Tebamanyi kwambala. Bambi mujje Katrina bambaze. Bayimbi bangi bambala bubi. Fashion wise, they have zero fashion sense. Come to Katrina Fashions, let them style you. Hollywood styles. I mean, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this shoe. Kano nekato. Yeah. Fashion ezakabi ezaba Hollywood stars. Ziri wano muve mu kikuubo baddiya. Come Katrina abambaza. Class. Mwewe ku class. Come to luxury. What? Katrina. I'm coming.
Buji. Yes. Wano toteekamu.
Bonje?
Yawe emiri wano osiikirizeewo kino ekisiimu.
Collection?
Ekisiimu
Linda.
Agala yimirireko awo. Ibeerako agala mube nga mwogeramu.
Because we're take you to these nails next time. What did you nails?
Morris Nail Villa.
Can you come? Hey, my husband.
I'm waiting for my show.
Another one.
I'm looking for it.
Oli sure okumanya oli awo omusereti